What's the meaning of cow chip? Cow chip. Cow chip.
Cow chip. Cow chip. The term cow chip refers to dried feces of cattle which can be used as fuel for fires. In some parts of the United States, it has become a popular activity to hold cow chip throwing contests where participants throw these dried pieces of manure as far as they can. The result of these contests is often a combination of competitive spirit and humor as contestants try to outdo each other in distance or accuracy. While some may find the concept amusing, others may view it as distasteful or unsanitary.